Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show here about to help you how you can start to make recognize ticket on the Bluebeam. This is about to help you about what we are going to do and how we can start to see the situation that we can start to help you about it today. As you can understand and see it through every single moment that we are going to have it through what, and this is about to be here through what we are going to have, and now we can start to see the situation what is about right now here. So it, as you can see about it, to go to the document OCR or press Control plus Shift plus O. The OCR dialog box appears. Alternatively, go to the page and the OCR, and the OCR function will also be invoked in the create PDF from scanner or camera function in the review is used. Open the OCR dialog box automatically.